Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. In this video I'm going to differentiate between anyways and after all. So let's begin. So basically if you look from the overview side, they both look like very similar and they actually are, but there lies some difference between them, and in this particular video I'm going to talk about the two differences along with examples. So let's get started. So the first thing about the anyways and after all that is different is about the conclusiveness nature. So they both are used as a conclusive nature, but anyways is used when you have uncertainty and you do not know about much depth about something. So let's say you are studying computer science and you are not familiar what other students are doing in the electronics domain. So you are not familiar about the electronics because you are studying the computer science. So you will just say like, yes, I have seen the people from the electronics. They are working 8 hours a day and doing other stuff. Anyways, I'm not sure what they're doing. So it is like that they are doing something, but you are not 100% sure what kind of things they are doing, what kind of things they are studying. So that is the use of the anyways. And for after all, let's take another example. Let's say you, like, as you are a CSC student and you know that you are studying, let's say, algorithms. So you know about algorithms and you have good understanding. So you will say like, I have studied algorithms book, and after all, that was a great experience. It was very insightful. So you are kind of very sure that how algorithms book works, how algorithms work, how algorithms book has helped you in a way so that you could understand the concept of algorithms in a better way. So you have a certainty here when you're using the after all. And let's talk about the another difference between the anyways and after all. The second thing that is like, in spite of what I have said earlier, this thing is kind of like a conclusion. So when you're using anyways, so it means like, in spite of what I'm saying or what I have said earlier, so this is the conclusive. So let's take example of this as well. Let's say you have gone to buy a car and you told that I need to have a car that can at least run at 150 kilometer per hour, and then the sales boy explains you all the things like, this car is from this brand, it is having this feature, it is having like a windshield option, sunroof option, the you can say like touch screen windshield is also there. So these kind of features that he has told you, but in the end you are, and in the end that sales boy will like say you like, anyways it can run more than 150 kilometer per hour. So he is ensuring you that what you have asked him for, this car is having all those things. In this particular case, your specification was like, you just need to have a car that can run more than 150 kilometer per hour. So this is about the anyways, and now let's talk about the after all. And in the after all, again let's take the same example of the car. So let's say you have gone to buy the car and you have again set the same specifications, and in this case he will explain you all the things like, what are the features, how much is the AC capacity and other kind of stuffs that are associated with the car. So at the end he will say like, after all it can have a speed, minimum speed of 150 kilometer per hour if you need to run it more than that particular speed. But that is in like a conclusive way, he is in the earlier part that he has said is like the conclusive of what he is saying using the after all. So it means like what I have said earlier, in this case the sales boy. So what sales boy has said earlier is true, but now what he is saying, what he is saying after the after all is like add on feature on top of that. So that is about the main differences between the after all and anyways. So I hope you have liked this video, and I hope you have found this video insightful, and thank you for watching this video.